Hello friends, in this video we will learn about idioms and their meanings pronunciation, so let's begin our topic. Taken aback. 2. Be shocked or surprised. Taken aback. 2. Be shocked or surprised. Take after. 2. Resemble. 2. Imitate. Take after. 2. Resemble. 2. Imitate. Take 4. In regards to. Take 4. In regards to. Take ill. Become sick. Take ill. Become sick. Take off. 2. Remove. Take off. 2. Remove. Take over. 2. Take control of the situation. Take over. 2. Take control of the situation. Take in. 2. Give shelter. Take in. 2. Give shelter. Take 2. Task. 2. Question someone. Take 2. Task. 2. Question someone. Take 2. One's heels. 2. Run away. Take 2. One's heels. 2. Run away. Take with a pinch/grain of salt. 2. Not take someone's word seriously. Take with a pinch/grain of salt. 2. Not take someone's word seriously.